A hidden feature on the new Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2. I'm going to show you how to find it and how it works. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk. Maybe you caught my deep dive review of the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2. Well, there's a feature that I didn't get a chance to cover, and I've had a lot of people asking about it. So I wanted to explain how lost mode works, and more importantly, how to find lost mode in the app, because it's kind of hard to find. It's kind of hidden. Again, this is a new feature to the SmartTag2. It's essentially an NFC chip that's built into the SmartTag2. So if somebody finds the tag, they can scan it with their phone and find out who owns the tag. So let's start with how to set this feature up if you have a SmartTag2. So the way this lost mode works is if you find a SmartTag and you take a phone and you use NFC on that phone to scan the SmartTag, it'll bring up information about who owns that SmartTag. Now in this case, it basically just tells us what the SmartTag is, and that's because I don't have lost mode set up yet. So let me show you how to set that up. Go into the SmartThings app on your phone that's connected to your SmartTag. You can see here I've got two SmartTags on my account. I've got an older one and the newer one right there. This only works on the newer SmartTag2s. Now you go into the tag and you'd think this setting would be right here where most of the settings are located, but it's not. It's kind of hidden and it's kind of in a weird place. Here's how you find it. Click on View Map, and once this pops up, tap on the More button, and then you get another menu. It's kind of confusing. What belongs here, what belongs in the other menu, and then this button takes you all the way back to the menu that we started at. Bizarre, isn't it? So there's your lost mode setting. Tap on that, explains to you how lost mode works, and then you hit next. And simple enough, you set up an email address, you set up contact information, so we'll put a phone number in here. We'll put a fake phone number in there, and then you set up a message. My SmartTag has been lost. This is lost item that's important to me, so please help me get it back. I'm tracking this item and trying to find it, so please contact me, or please contact me and help my lost pet come back home. So kind of a few different options there for a message, and that's it. Then you hit turn on, and now the lost mode is set up. So if we take that same tag that we just used and we NFC scan it again, you'll notice it brings up this page instead that now has all that information that we just plugged in. The only problem with this is if somebody finds this, are they going to know to scan it with NFC on their phone, whether it be an iPhone or an Android phone? Almost every phone has NFC, but if you don't know to scan it, then you don't know. And there really is no place on here that tells you scan this with NFC to find out who it belongs to. But nonetheless, it is a cool idea. In theory, the question is, will it actually work in reality? Thanks for hanging out. Hope that was helpful. Of course, like this video, subscribe to this channel. We've got a lot more cool geeky videos, insider tips, deals, unboxings, reviews. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.